All right, today we're going to be talking about changing a battery on a Mercedes-Benz remote. This came to me from a customer. They wanted me to check it out. They said their key stopped working. So nothing's coming out of it, no signal. So we'll go ahead and change the battery. So I figured I'd make a video showing you how to change the battery. Because the last thing I want to do is get a remote in and it just has a dead battery and there's nothing for me to fix. All right, first thing you do is you stick it in this hole right here. You could push down to the stops. You feel it pop. And if you're looking right here, is where the key stops at. And it pushes on this tab. I would get a flat screwdriver, put it in on this top side, and just rotate, it'll pop right out. Let me check the battery. Dead. So this is the batteries I use. You can use whatever brand you want, Duracell, whatever, but I use these. So you just insert it, the words or whatever on the top, or the plus sign. That's basically it. That's how you change the battery. Now let me test it. See if we got this thing fixed or we have to do some soldering or whatever we got to do to make it work. All right. They are going to be a happy camper. That's basically it. That's how you change the battery. The battery is going to be a CR 2025. I'll have a link in the description at the bottom if you want to buy some batteries, and that's about it. I appreciate y'all for watching. Catch you in the next one.